Have you ever wondered how your voice travels over the phone or how TV signals reach your home? The answer lies in modulation, a crucial process in communication technology. Let's explore its types, advantages, disadvantages, and applications.
It's modulation. Modulation is the process of varying a signal's properties to ensure efficient transmission. Simply means changing or altering a signal's amplitude, frequency, or phase so it can travel long distances with less interference. You know,
There are two main types of modulation, analog and digital.
Modulation is the process of modifying a carrier signal to transmit information, and there are two types, the analog and the digital. Analog modulation varies continuously with the signal. Like the amplitude modulation, it changes the signal strength and use in AM radio. The frequency modulation, it changes the frequency and use in FM radio. And the last is phase modulation, it alters the phase and use in some radio systems. While the digital modulation transmits binary data, like the amplitude shift keying, it varies amplitude and used in RFID. The frequency shift keying varies frequency and used in Bluetooth. And phase shift keying, it varies phase and used in Wi-Fi and 4G.
There are several advantages in modulation. First, it minimizes interference and noise. It increases transmission range. It also enables multiplexing with assurance of efficient bandwidth use. And lastly, improves signal quality.
That being said, there are also disadvantages about modulation, and one of that is high power consumptions, meaning the system uses more heat than it should be, and also more components, which means there's a complex circuitry about it, and it just increases the cost of making that system or that circuitry. Another one is that since it produces high power consumption, there's also optical signal distortion and latency, which is a little bit of more complicated topics, but for now that makes the modulating signal and the carrier signal a little bit of having noises or not very efficient.
its challenges. Modulation powers various technologies including radio and TV broadcasting, wireless communication, satellite systems, audio-video transmission, and data communication.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tech insight.